The Don redwood is a remarkable tree species belonging to the cypress family, Cupressaceae, native to China. It is renowned for its fascinating history as a living fossil. For millions of years, this tree was thought to be extinct, with fossil records showing its presence dating back over 150 million years to the late Mesozoic era. Its rediscovery in 1944 by a Chinese forester, along with botanist T. Can, astonished the scientific community and earned it the nickname the tree that came back from the dead. Today, it is widely cultivated around the world as both an ornamental and conservation tree. Physical characteristics. The Don redwood is a deciduous conifer, which is unusual since most conifers retain their leaves year-round. This tree can grow to impressive heights of 50 to 200 feet, 15 to 60 meters, in ideal conditions, with a broad, pyramidal shape. Its bark is reddish-brown, deeply furrowed, and becomes more rugged with age. One of the most striking features of the Don redwood is its needle-like leaves, which are soft, feathery, and arranged oppositely along the branches. Unlike most conifers, these leaves turn a vibrant orange-red in the fall before shedding, creating a stunning seasonal display. The tree's trunk is often buttressed at the base, adding to its visual appeal and structural stability. Reproduction and growth. Don redwoods are monoecious, meaning each tree produces both male and female reproductive structures. Male cones are small and cylindrical, releasing pollen in early spring, while female cones are egg-shaped and grow on short stalks. Seed production is prolific, and the seeds themselves are small, winged, and adapted for wind dispersal. In terms of growth, Don redwoods are fast-growing, sometimes adding 3 to 5 feet, 1 to 1.5 meters, per year in young specimens. They prefer moist, well-drained soil and thrive in full sun but can tolerate partial shade. Although they grow rapidly, they also have a long lifespan, with some specimens exceeding 600 years under optimal conditions. Ecological significance. Don redwoods play an important role in their ecosystems. Native populations in China often grow in wetlands or along riverbanks, where their roots help stabilize soil and reduce erosion. The fallen needles enrich the soil by decomposing and adding organic matter. Furthermore, the trees provide habitats for birds and small mammals, particularly in areas where they are cultivated as part of reforestation efforts. Because they were once nearly extinct, planting and protecting Don redwoods also contributes to biodiversity conservation and the preservation of a species with immense historical and ecological value. Global cultivation and ornamental value. Since their rediscovery, Don redwoods have been widely introduced outside China, including in North America, Europe, and Japan. They are valued for their ornamental beauty, especially in parks, botanical gardens, and large estates. The combination of their graceful, pyramidal form, seasonal foliage color, and impressive height makes them ideal for landscape design. They are also relatively resilient to pollution and urban conditions, making them suitable for city planting. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, they serve as a living link to prehistoric flora, allowing scientists and enthusiasts to study an ancient lineage that has survived dramatic environmental changes. Conservation and challenges. Despite successful cultivation worldwide, natural populations of Don redwoods in China remain limited and fragmented. Habitat loss due to agriculture, urbanization, and logging has reduced wild stands, making conservation efforts critical. Organizations and botanical gardens have established seed banks and propagation programs to ensure genetic diversity is preserved. Climate change poses another challenge, as rising temperatures and altered precipitation patterns can affect the tree's growth and survival. However, because of its adaptability and rapid growth, the Don redwood remains a hopeful symbol for conservationists, demonstrating that even species once considered extinct can be safeguarded with proper attention. Conclusion. The Don redwood, Metasequoia glyptostroboides, is not only a botanical marvel but also a symbol of resilience and historical continuity. From its prehistoric origins to its rediscovery in the 20th century, This tree captures the imagination of scientists, horticulturists, and nature lovers alike. Its striking appearance, rapid growth, ecological contributions, and global ornamental value make it a tree worthy of admiration and careful preservation. Studying and planting Don redwoods ensures that this living fossil continues to thrive, offering a tangible connection between the present and a distant prehistoric past.